guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something I'm super excited about. I'm going to be telling you guys all the best and worst from Method cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. If you don't know what Grove Collaborative is, it's basically just a website full of all natural cleaners. Method cleaners specifically are made from like all plants. They're non-toxic, just like really green cleaning products. I'll leave the Grove Collaborative link down below if you're interested, as well as my Grove Collaborative unboxing, where I unboxed some but not all of these. I have about 10 products here. I'm going to be talking about the good, the bad, and the ugly. What's good, what's not, what would I recommend, what do I like, and what would I pass on. So I'm going to be telling you guys best and worst of Method cleaning products. Every single product I'm going to be talking about today, I have about 10 of them. I have used more than once all of the way through. As you're going to see, a lot of these bottles are going to be empty. I've used all of these products for the better part of a year now, so I know them inside and out. I know what I like about them and what I don't like about them. So I'm going to try to keep this intro not super long and rambly, and let's just hop into the first product. The first thing I want to talk about is probably the most popular product, and this is their Method all-purpose spray. Now, this one's in the lavender scent. They come in a ton of different scents. This one's my personal favorite, especially this time of year. There's something about it in the summertime that just makes it smell so much better. I don't know what it is. It smells good all year round, but specifically this time of year, I'm super about it. But they claim you can use this on counters, tiles, stone, wood, and glass. All of which is true. Sometimes if I use this on mirrors, it'll leave it a little streaky, so I don't necessarily recommend it for that. But everything else, it does a great job. It gets everything off. This is one of my favorite products, and it also comes in these really big refill jugs. This is what I always buy this in. I always buy the refills. I'll leave prices and everything on the screen here for you guys as well with all these products, so you can see what they retail for. But I always get these big refills whenever possible in any of these products. They don't offer these in every single product, but they do offer them in most of their products. So always get the refill. A, you're going to get more product and you're going to save money, and you don't have to like use up another container, another squirt bottle that you're just going to throw out anyways. So I will always buy the refills unless my squirt bottle starts to go kaput and I need to get a new squirt bottle. But I always get the refill, always in my lavender scent, because that one is my favorite. But like I said, they do have other scents as well. 100%, I would recommend the all-purpose spray. It's phenomenal. If you were to try one product, I 110% would recommend this. This is the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser. Everyone that I have recommended this to is obsessed with it now. My mom loves it. I have friends that are obsessed with it. They're like, you told me to get this. It's amazing. This is awesome. It'll get anything off of your stove grates. If you spill something in the microwave or something blows up in the microwave, this will get every last bit of grime out of it. It's perfect. I use this in my fridge, countertops. Let's be real, sometimes like if you're making something like spaghetti and you leave the spoon with spaghetti sauce on the counter, and then maybe you don't do the dishes that night, you don't clean your kitchen that night, and it's the next day or maybe 2 days later, let's be real, things happen, and that spaghetti sauce is still stuck on the counter and you can't get it off. This will get it off easy peasy. I'll just spray everything down, let it sit for, I don't know, 30 seconds, and I go back with a sponge and it just swipes right off. It's amazing. The smell is perfect. This is lemongrass, but perfect. It smells really fresh, very citrusy almost, but it's not overpowering, but it's amazing. This is the one product that if you were to try anything, I would 100% recommend. This, it says you can use it on stovetops, range hoods, microwaves, burner grates, drip pans, which I do. All of those things. I also use it in my fridge. I'm not afraid to use it in my fridge because these are all natural cleaning products. They're made from plants. So I have no problem putting this in my fridge where obviously my food goes, but this will get rid of every bit of grease, grime, dirt. I cannot talk enough good things about this product. This is the one product I'm not quite sure where I stand on. I've used it once and I have not repurchased it because I feel as though it's a little bit of a waste of money. Once again, I'll have the price up here. I'm not sure how much this retails for. I think it's like $5 or something. And you don't get a ton in here. You get 25 fluid ounces. This is a squirt mop. I don't think I've said that, but you just pull the little top here and you squirt out the product, and then you can just go ahead with your mop and mop it out. I will say this smells amazing. This is in their almond scent. Hands down, my favorite scent, even more than my all-purpose spray in the lavender. This scent, if they made this scent in an all-purpose spray, I would be switching to almond. But it cleans, it does get everything off the floor really well. And what I do like is the scent lingers. Like if I mop on Monday, Tuesday morning, all through Tuesday, I can still smell this scent. So I enjoy that. It does clean really well. It gets everything up super nice. But I'm cheap. Like, that's not a new thing. If you're not new to my channel, you know that. I like to save money. Me and my husband are very frugal. It's just who we are. So the fact that I can buy a whole like gallon of pine salt and it'll last me all month, sometimes even into the next month, to mop my floors and scrub my walls and all that stuff, and it's the same price as this, that lasts me 2 weeks. I mean, I do have a ton of tile and wood floor in my home. So that could be why, but I feel like if you were only using this in bathrooms, or maybe you didn't have a lot of surfaces that needed to be mopped, this could be really worth it for you. I think I'm going to give this a try again, and I think I'm going to try ordering it in one of these refill bottles, because they do make this squirt mop in a big refill like this, and then I think it would possibly be worth it to me. But it does clean really well, smells amazing. So it's not a bad product, I just don't like the price point, if that makes sense. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is also in the almond scent, and this is the Method Wood Cleaner. This is amazing. This is another product that I would 100% recommend. I have completely gotten rid of Pledge in my house, and this is it. This gives the shine to wood like Pledge would, but it doesn't leave that like greasy, oily film on the top of your wood surfaces. And that is what I love about it. I cannot get enough of this product. The almond scent, like I said before, is my favorite, so I love the way it smells, especially once we start to hit fall time, winter time. This just smells like so good. But I use this on all of my wood surfaces. I use this on my coffee tables, my dressers that are wood. I'll even use this to kind of give a nice polish to my dining room table and chairs as well. It's perfect. It gets it says that it cleans grease and grime and leaves a light shine. I don't know about the grease and grime. It does get off stuff that is stuck lightly to the top of your tabletop, but if you have something really hard on there, I don't think this will get it off. But I love this because it leaves such a beautiful shine to all your wood. It's like it's revamped, refreshed. It looks almost brand new. And it does not leave that oily grime that Pledge would. That's why I love this product. I do. I just love it. I tried this recently. This is a product I think I've had for the least amount of time. I'd say probably 6 months, and I still have a ton left. But 100% love this product. Love it, love it, love it. This is the Method Antibiotic All-Purpose Cleaner. So this is kind of like their all-purpose spray, but this is supposed to be antibiotic. It's supposed to get rid of germs, so it's good for like after flu season or whatever. This is pretty much full still. I have it up to here. This is one of the first products I tried, I think last year around flu season. I wanted to give it a try. It says you can use it on kitchen surfaces, countertops, high chairs, doorknobs, garage, or garbage cans, if I can read. Perfect for after flu season in bathrooms and things like that. However, this is in the citron scent, which I thought I would like, but it smells horrid. That's the only reason I don't use this. It cleans very well. It does exactly what it claims to do, to like get rid of whatever, anything that you need to get rid of on your countertops, I guess. It cleans very well. Obviously, I don't know if it gets rid of the germs like it claims to, but it does a good job cleaning. It's just I can't use this because the scent is so horrid. Like, it smells, it literally smells like if you left a bag of lemons in a hot car. Like, it smells like old rotting lemons. Like, I don't know how else to put it. I'm sorry if you love this scent. I know everyone's different, but I hate this scent. I'm trying to force myself to use it when I can because, like I said, I'm cheap, I'm frugal, I bought it, I want to use it, but this has been sitting under my sink for over a year and I can't bring myself to use it. I hate the way it smells. And the thing I like about all of these Method products is that the scent lingers. You can smell it not just the day you cleaned, the day after, 2 days after, 3 days after, you can smell it. So the scent lingers. So it's not even like you're smelling it just for a couple hours. You can smell it for a couple of days and it is not my favorite scent. So I recommend this cleaning product itself, just not in a citron scent. So if you like this scent, I'm so sorry, but this not for me. 3 products left and they're all bathroom products. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is this Method Antibiotic Toilet Cleaner in the scent Spearmint. Love the Spearmint scent. It smells very fresh to me. It smells very fresh, very clean. It says that it's a germ buster. It kind of gets rid of all those gross things. Obviously, this is for the toilet, toilet seats, under the trim. I use this all over the toilet, like except the outside, obviously. But this does work really well. If you haven't cleaned your toilet in a while and you're kind of like, oh, I need to scrub the toilet. We've all been there. It'll get rid of all of those, like the water rings and stains or whatever after you have a stomach bug. This does a really good job of like getting all of it clean again. I've never had a match that this couldn't take in the toilet. I know that's probably disgusting, but this does a really good job of cleaning all it out. The scent is delicious. I love this product. These are my last 2 products and I want to talk about them at the same time because there are some comparisons I want to make between the 2. And I feel like it would just be easier if you see both of these products. So this one is the Method Bathroom Cleaner and this one is the Method Antibiotic Bathroom Cleaner. If you remember, I did not love this antibiotic one. It does a good job cleaning, I just don't like the scent. And that's kind of the same thing with this one. This is in the scent Spearmint. It does smell good, but there is something about this. Every single time I spray it, it almost has like a pepper thing to it, like the seasoning pepper. Like if you're like seasoning something and you get too much, you get the whiff of it and it like tickles the back of your throat and you sneeze and you cough. This does it to me every single time. In all of my cleaning videos, whenever I use this, I have to edit out like 10 sneezes. There's something about it that it makes me sneeze, it makes me cough. I know that sounds ridiculous and a little bit like high maintenance maybe, but there's something about this that I just don't like. Another reason I don't like this one as much is because this does not claim to be used on bathroom mirrors. However, this one also does not claim to be used on bathroom mirrors, and I can spray my bathroom mirror with this and wipe it down and it never leaves it streaky. However, this one does. So it's kind of like I don't have to buy Windex or leave Windex in my little carrier that I get from Grove Collaborative. It's just one less thing I need to cart around with me because this cleans my bathroom mirrors, you know what I'm saying? So it makes it a little bit easier because you just spray the whole thing down. You know, it's just one less step. So I definitely prefer this one over the antibiotic one. However, I will continue to use the antibiotic one because I bought it. I'm gonna use it. I'm not gonna waste it. But definitely prefer the eucalyptus mint scent over the spearmint one. This does do a good job on everything else that it claims to do. It cleans the countertops, the sinks, tubs, tile, toilet seats. It does a good job on all of that. This is not a bad cleaner. It's just something about it makes me sneeze, it makes me cough. I don't love that. This one, on the other hand, it doesn't do any of that to me. You can use it on all of the same surfaces, tiles, showers, fixtures, sinks, tubs, all of that stuff. I prefer the scent on this. I know this might sound ridiculous, but it matches the spearmint scent really nice, which is ridiculous because this is spearmint and this is spearmint, but they don't smell the same to me. I think it's the antibiotic line that I just don't necessarily love from Method, which is fine because other people probably like it. It's just not for me. But these smell really similar. They go really well together. I'm someone who, if I get too many scents mixing, it kind of drives my like sinuses crazy. But they work really well hand in hand. I love this product. This is one of the first products I tried. Love it, time and true. I prefer this one over the antibiotic stuff. I think I've said that 110 times already, but I would definitely recommend this one over their antibiotic line as a whole. So that completes all 10 products that I talked about today. I don't think it was quite 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I talked about 8 products today. Let me know down below if you want to see me do a part 2 to this video, because they obviously do have other products that I haven't tried or haven't used yet. Or let me know down below if you want to see me do this, but from another brand from Grove Collaborative. Like if you'd like to see me do one on 7th Generation or Mrs. Meyer's or another brand that they sell. I would love to give this another go. But I'm really excited about this video. I think it's something that you guys would really like. I really enjoyed filming. But let me know down below in the comments, what is your favorite Method cleaning product? Like I said, if I had to pick one, I would definitely pick this degreaser. If I had to pick a second, this one, the wood cleaner, is definitely a close second. I love these products. I think they're the best of the best. I have not found anything else from any other range of cleaning products that works as well as these do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's @CassieandCrew. Make sure you subscribe before you leave, and let me know down below if you want to see me do another range of videos just like this, but with another brand. I would love to do that for you guys. I think it'd be super fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.